to another video. Today we have a new tool. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to my man Josh McQuinsney. He does help a lot on this channel, letting us know what's new, what's up, any deals. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. We got this new tool. This is a pruning tool from Ryobi. It's a 1 plus 8-inch 18-volt lithium-ion battery pruning chainsaw tool only, $89.97. I believe it does come with the kit for like $119 with the battery and a charger. Here's another picture there. It does have a guard on the optional guard if you want to put it in there. And I don't think this is just to this specifics. That's another image right there. And it's just a pruning chainsaw. It's a light duty use. It is battery operated, as you guys see there. It says brush. Yeah, it is brushed motor. It's not brushless. So you guys see there. That's the guard. It's a nice little chain there. And it does have no oil. Just to let you know, it does not have a reservoir. Well, it doesn't look like it does have it. I mean, it doesn't have it. So, alright. Something I wanted to mention before I let you guys go is that I saw this pruning chainsaw in one of my videos out of town, like not in my city area. I actually took a trip to Cottonwood, Arizona, and I saw Home Depot there, so I stopped by and I just wanted to look at a different Home Depot from a small town, and I found this. But you know what, I took that video back in January, and I was trying to find this tool in town or online, and I was not able to find it. So it's a good thing I took a video of it. If you got, I'll leave the link down below to that video if you guys want to look at that small town Home Depot. But I will play a little bit here for you guys. This is my video, so this is my channel, and I'll play a little bit. You guys see it here. Never seen before. This is the chainsaw, $89.97. Like I said, I took this on January 31st. It's been over a month already, and this tool barely showed up. It's just so weird that this Home Depot had it before. I don't know if this Home Depot gets the tool before they get released or not. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys seen anything similar like this, anything weird that certain Home Depot gets all the newer tools before they are even released. Like I said, this thing is crazy. That saw this, I was amazed to see something like this, and never seen it in my other Home Depots. I've been to a million Home Depots in town because we have a lot of them here, and I go out of town and I see something new. So anyways, just thought I want to throw this out there. If you want to check out this video, it's an outdoor power plus tool clearance at small town Home Depot on my channel. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check out the video. And don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.